Vivotech provides a full range of panoramic products for your applications, from small to large, near and far, both indoors and outdoors. First, the CC8371HV, well designed for short distance coverage, with 3 megapixel resolution, a large 120 degree vertical field of view, and added 15 meter IR illuminators. In this example, we are able to continually follow the subject in this residential backyard setting. This model is great for areas under 10 meters. Here is an indoor example of the CC8371 inside an office lobby, great for capturing faces. Next, the dual lens MS9390HV with 180 degrees stitched image up to 8 megapixel resolution, 68 degrees vertical field of view, and 180 degree 20 meter IR illuminators. The MS9390 is great for distances up to 20 meters, as we see in this parking lot example. And here's another example of the MS9390 overlooking a small festival. Rounding out our 180 degree panoramic family is the 4-sensor MS8391EV, featuring a 12 megapixel total resolution single stitched image, as well as IR illuminator coverage up to 30 meters. With narrower lenses, the vertical field of view is reduced, but the coverage distance is greatly increased, as we see in this shopping plaza example, or in this traffic monitoring example. And with 30 meter IR illuminators, the MS8391EV can see the furthest in low light conditions. Now let us compare all three models in the same scenario. This will provide a better understanding for model selection. On top we have the 4-lens 12 megapixel MS8391. In the middle is our dual lens 8 megapixel MS9390, and at the bottom is our single fisheye lens 3 megapixel CC8371. As you can see, all three cameras produce very different 180 degree panoramic images. The CC8371's large 120 degree vertical field of view captures a lot of the scene in front of our subjects, even right below the camera. On the other hand, the MS8391 crops out the tall buildings in the background. Right in the middle of the spectrum is the MS9390. Now looking at the subject at 10 meters away, we see a clear difference in image clarity from each camera model. Although the MS8391 image quality is the best, all models can clearly see the sign at 10 meters. Given that the CC8371 also has such a high vertical field of view, it would be the best choice for a scenario under 10 meters, with almost no lost angles. Now if the subject is 30 meters away, the best option is obviously the MS8391. It's a bit too far for the MS9390 to capture the details, and the CC8371 here is obviously no match. Understanding the surveillance area is critical for selecting the best 180 degree panoramic model for each application. Vivotech is proud to offer our clients the most options in super wide angle viewing.